got this new Z over here. No way. He got two tomeis. Cobra, sheesh. Behind these Mustangs, let's see if any of them wants to smoke. Welcome back to another video. We are currently on the way to a Cars and Coffee. I actually wasn't gonna come to this. I got home like at 5 in the morning or 4 in the morning last night. It is currently what, like 9 in the morning. But I was like, bro, I need some content. So I was like, I'll pull up, bro. But yeah, it should be a pretty good turnout. I think it's gonna be a lot of Z's actually. So I'm excited for that. The only downside is that it's gonna be in a city where like cops. What the fuck? Oh shit, bro! Did you guys see that? Oh, bro, that could have been bad. Hey, yo, bro. Oh, dude. Bro, I hope the camera caught that. Dude, that would have been all bad. I thought that shit was flying right towards me. Holy shit. Oh, I thought my hood or like my window was gonna be done, bro. Oh my god. Well, that's a way to start the video, right? What just happened, dude? Bro, I'm like shaking right now. I was looking at the camera and then I heard that. I thought somebody was like backfiring. So I look up and I see a tire midair, bro. Like, anyways, we're going to a city where cops do not like modified cars. I don't got a front bumper on. Which is definitely not the smartest idea, but I mean, okay. Anyways, we'll pick up the camera once we're there. All right, guys, we made it to the spot. Unfortunately, we had to park outside. I guess there was no space inside or whatever. I didn't know it was gonna be this packed. It's my fault for waking up late, I guess. But let's go ahead and go see some dope cars. We got this super sick ZR1, bro. If I could, I would. One of my favorite muscle cars, bro. Love it. Must be nice. Must be nice, bro. What's up, bro? Trying to race after or what? We got this new Z over here. I've actually been thinking about trying to get one of these, bro. And now with the Q50 messing up, it's more of a possibility. We got the G's, 2 G's. We got the Z right here. Nice, nice, nice. Got the homies from SoCal Z, and we got a GTR spinning some flames over there. That 370Z is clean, bro. Super nice. Got my wheels. 37 on the Nismos too. Super clean, super clean. We got a boosted Z. Sick ass fool. You stock motor? Let's get it after this. Just kidding. Got another boosted Z over here. Sick ass food, bro. Oh, I need these for the queue, bro. I was actually gonna buy these wheels like 2 weeks ago, but that didn't happen. Got a couple more Z's over here. The homie Z right here. Wide body, super clean, bro. Look at this Porsche's exhaust, bro. No way. He got 2 tomeis. Alright guys, we actually made it in. Let's go ahead and find a parking spot. We got a pretty decent spot. We got this super clean red Z right here with the TEs. We got a Nismo rear. This thing's nice, dude. Got the super on the mark. Got the super on the mark. Got the super on the TEs. Can never go wrong with TEs, bro, on any car. We got another Z. Wide body, boys. Bro, that's all over me, bro. That's a perfect setup. I need that. I was actually gonna wrap. Well, I might actually still keep that color. We shall see. If I keep super clean G35, bro. If I had one, it'll probably look something like that. Another clean Z right there. There's hella Z's right here, bro.
Tell my dad, hey.
Bro, say I won't buy this. This thing is nice. Got a little Mustang lineup. Cobra, sheesh. Alright guys, we're heading out now. I look at that GTR right there. Whoa, sick ass. Well, you didn't have to do me like that, bro. Behind these Mustangs, let's see if any of them wants to smoke. Alright guys, there's now a couple hours later from the last clip you guys just saw. I just finished editing this video and I noticed that I haven't closed this video out yet. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. It was super dope to be able to race one of my childhood dream cars. As a kid I used to love those cars. I still do. I will definitely get one day. The wine just sounds super sick bro. But yeah guys, I have some things coming for both cars. Hopefully if all turns out well. If I do end up keeping this car, which I'm more than likely I'm gonna keep it, but it's just annoying trying to figure out the whole issue with the center screens. I don't know if I think I told you guys already that my two screens went out and I'm trying to fix it, trying to find somebody to help me fix it, but I just can't. I don't want to really take it to the dealer, but it looks like I'm gonna have to. But if I end up keeping it, it's gonna be super sick because I do kind of have plans to get 2 new wheel setups for the cars. Kind of new, if that makes sense. I won't reveal too much, but both cars will have different wheel setups. Apart from that, I am gonna be painting my lip because I want to put my bumper back on. Don't get me wrong, it's cool to be like bumperless, but this just, you guys know, modified cars are not cops' favorites, so I mean, it's not the best thing to be bumperless all the time. But hopefully within the next week or so, the lip will be painted. It'll be back on the car. Because I mean, I have the bumper, but honestly, the bumper without the lip just looks ugly to me. But with that being said, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. I'll catch you guys on the next one. You guys are not going to want to miss the next video. Should be a pretty dope one. Peace out, guys.